If you're going on holiday or simply taking a break, Gmail can automatically let people know you're away. Let's go through how to set up a vacation or out-of-office reply so you can relax without worrying about your inbox. Open the Gmail app on your phone and tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. Next, tap the Google account where you want to set up the auto reply. This is important if you have multiple Gmail accounts. Scroll down until you find Out of Office Auto Reply and tap on it. Here you can set the exact start and end dates for when you'll be away. Gmail will only send automatic replies during this time frame. In the subject field, type something clear like out of office or on vacation until date. In the message box, write your away message. You can keep it simple. For example, mention the date you'll be back or give an alternate contact if needed. Below, you'll see an option that says, Send only to my contacts. If you check it, only people saved in your contacts will get the reply. If you leave it unchecked, anyone who emails you will receive it. Once everything looks good, tap the Done or Save button. Your vacation reply is now active, and Gmail will handle the rest while you're away. If this guide helped you, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more easy tips.